This is my third time that I am making a video on l'article indéfini. I remember working for the first time for indefinite article in French for a YouTube channel which we have created at the beginning thanks to Ayan. If you are watching this video, thank you brother for all your encouragement and hard work behind our very first YouTube channel. So here is the link for l'article défini. Click on this button to check this out. Once you learn these two major types of French articles, I will make a video on l'article partitif, that too for the third time. If you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe and share the videos with your friends whom you care and who are enthusiastic about French language like you. Your love and support are what keeps me going. I am making this video for the beginners, and it is always a great pleasure to find your messages, queries and comments in the comment section. Let's learn l'article indéfini. It's pretty simple. If you have seen my video on l'article défini, you must have known that there are two genders in French language, masculin and féminin, and all nouns are considered as either masculine or feminine. How to distinguish a noun if it is masculine or feminine? Maybe that could be a cool idea for one of my upcoming videos. There are three indefinite articles in French. Un, which is placed in front of a masculine singular noun, une in front of a feminine singular noun, and des in front of any plural noun. All three of them are called indefinite articles. One syllable each, un, une, des, and voila. Let's take one masculine singular noun and one feminine singular noun. Livre means book and fille means girl. Yes, you heard correctly. The double L in between two vowels in French are most often not pronounced. Here's a question for you. If you are asked to translate a book or a girl, how will you translate it into French? Put a in front of a masculine singular noun and une in front of a feminine singular noun. Un livre means a book and une fille means a girl. Now, if in plural you want to say some books, many books, few books, or sometimes we do not use any article in English, just to say books. I love books. J'aime des livres. I read many books. Je lis des livres. There are some girls in the classroom. Il y a des filles dans la salle de classe. I am repeating the sentences once again for you. J'aime des livres. Je lis des livres. Il y a des filles dans la salle de classe. A quick revision. Un and une, both of them mean a or an in English. In English, a or an depends on a singular noun starting with a consonant or a vowel. And in French, un or une depends on a singular noun which is masculine or feminine. And des means some, few or many. Thank you so much for being with me till the end of the video. Please subscribe to my channel and leave your comments down in this comment section. If you like my video, press a thumbs up, and until next time, la langue française, c'est très facile, and au revoir.